filmed for educational purposes for the public to gain a better understanding of law enforcement operations and to provide transparency. Viewer discretion is advised.
Stay low now, stop.
011.
8 in Montrose, 6 Nora, Henry, Victor 58.
What's going on? I'm Officer Rodriguez of the Warren Police. We're for the stop. You're doing 52 and a 40. Can I get your license?
I don't even got a license. I'm driving my
ID?
girl. I'm driving my girl car. That's why I'm calling her now. She at work.
Can you get your ID?
I don't even have ID on me, so I ain't gonna
Okay. Just put the car in park. And turn off the car. Give me the keys.
Can I call her first?
Nope. Give me the keys. You're a grown man. You don't gotta call your girl.
It's her car.
Okay, you can turn off. You can give me the keys.
It's in her name.
Okay, you can give me the keys.
I'm trying to understand why everybody else was flying past me and you pulled me over.
I'm not worried about anyone else. I just want your keys.
But why me?
I want your keys.
And then you warn police on Detroit side?
Hey, man, this bad. You don't know. Give me the keys.
That shit is weird as hell. Why you doing this, bro?
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Everyone dispatch. Show me out with New York plate, Lincoln David 75.
Hey, block in front of him. He's trying to take off.
Taking off, Junior West.
What's on through Van Dyke to Wisconsin?
Alright, we're coming to a stop over here at Van Dyke. So he's trying to get through. Stuck in traffic here.
Okay, looks like you're left on the path over. Omaha is 2 minutes away.
CCS2 just ran my vehicle, airbags deployed.